Hello students, welcome to Bindu Maths classes. Your question is, show that 2 sin square beta plus 4 times cos alpha plus beta into sin alpha sin beta plus cos of 2 times alpha plus beta is equals to cos 2 alpha. So to prove this identity, we are going to start with our left hand side, and the left hand side is equals to 2 sin square beta plus 4 times cos alpha plus beta into sin alpha sin beta plus cos of 2 alpha plus beta. Okay. Now you can observe that in both of these terms, first of all, cos ऑफ यहाँ पर cos थीटा है तो यहाँ cos 2 थीटा है, तो cos थीटा कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड इन cos थीटा बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला cos 2 थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. तो इसे अप्लाई करके सबसे पहले आप इसे रिड्यूस कर लेंगे. 2 sin स्क्वायर बीटा प्लस 4 cos अल्फा प्लस बीटा sin अल्फा sin beta, and this can be written as 2 cos square alpha plus beta minus 1 by using this formula. Now you can observe that in both the terms cos alpha plus beta can be taken out, can be taken common, so take and 2 is also common in both the terms. So 2 cos alpha plus beta is common, and in the brackets you are left with 2 sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha plus beta. Okay. Now you can apply the formula for cos alpha plus beta here, and this will give you 2 cos alpha plus beta, and this is 2 sin alpha sin beta, and this is cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. cos a plus b का फॉर्मूला पुट कर रहे हैं आप. cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. ओके. नाउ you can easily, देखो आपके 2x minus x, so this will give you, this can be reduced into 2 cos alpha plus beta, and this can be the within brackets you will get cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Okay. Now cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is the formula for cos a minus b. So this can be written as cos of alpha minus beta, 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta minus 1. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta can be written as cos of alpha minus beta. Okay. Now 2 cos a cos b, इसका क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? You have formula for 2 cos a cos b, and that is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. This is the formula for 2 cos a cos b. So we are going to apply here 2 cos a cos b. ये आपका a है और ये आपका b है. So this will come out sin square beta plus 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b. a plus b जब आप करेंगे बीटा से बीटा कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 cos 2 अल्फा आ जाएगा, प्लस cos of a minus b. a माइनस b जब आप करेंगे, अल्फा से अल्फा विल कैंसिल आउट, यू विल गेट cos 2 beta. Now you can apply the formula for cos 2 beta, and cos 2 beta can be written as 2 cos square beta minus 1, or we can apply another formula for cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta also. And for the formula list, you can download all the formulas from the description of the video. So cos 2 beta can be written as sin square beta plus cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square beta. Okay. Now 2 sin square beta will cancel out, and 1 and minus 1 will also cancel out, and you are left with cos 2 and alpha, and that is your right hand side.